Hi friends, Shrikant here. Welcome back to our channel. So in this session, we are going to see how to use advanced conditional formatting rules. So in session 1 of conditional formatting, we have seen how to use the basic conditional formatting rules. If you did not see my conditional formatting session 1 video, please go and watch that video and come back to this session video. I'll leave the link of session 1 on the iCard. You can see a link appearing on the top right side of your screen, and I will also leave the link in the description section. Please go and watch my conditional formatting session 1 video and come back to this advanced conditional formatting rules. Okay, so in this session, as you can see, I'm going to use this inventory kind of data for my conditional formatting rules, advanced conditional formatting rules. So if I want to look at only the computer related information from this data, since computer is listed in many multiple places, it is hard for me to find out where the computer information is located, or computer, the value of computer is located. So what I'll do is, there is a drop down over here. I'll select the value computer from this drop down. As you can see, the value of computers got highlighted. If I want to see information related to laptop, all entire laptop information is getting selected. If I want to see headphones, headphone information is getting selected. Now we'll see how to write rules, how to write this kind of rule to highlight and look at that particular kind of value. Let me delete this, and let before I show you how to create the rule, let me clear the rule what I have set here. Selected cells. Okay, see, if I select the value here, nothing will happen because I have removed the rules from that particular cells. Okay, so in order to set the rules, select the data, range of data for which you want to set the rule. Go to conditional formatting, go to new rule. You see a dialog box appear. Select use a formula to determine which cells to format. So place your cursor in this box, click on the first range of your data selection. Here mine is A5. So you can see there is value appear here is equal to $A5 and $A and $5. So here dollar symbol means it will log that particular cell. So for this rule we should not log these cells. So I'll remove this dollar value, put is equal to, and select the value, select this cell of I5 in my series. In my case it is I5. If you are doing rules in your computer or in your laptop for your data, this reference cell would be different. Okay, so now what does this formula say? Highlight the value of A5 if it is equal to the value available in the I5. Now I want to select the color by which the value should get highlighted. I'll use yellow color. Click on OK, click on OK. Now if I select the value computer here, see, the value of computer is getting highlighted. Now I want to see headphones, laptop, keyboard. Since keyboard is listed one time, it is only highlighting one time. Again, laptop. Okay, so this is how you can set the rules to highlight the particular value. Okay, in the second example we'll see how to highlight the entire row. In the first scenario we have seen how to highlight the single value like computer, headphone, hard disk. Now we'll see how to highlight this entire row. Okay, so at the end of the session I'll show you how to make this drop down. To know how to prepare this kind of drop downs for any values, keep watching this session till the end. Okay, now let me select the entire row, entire data. Go to home, conditional formatting, new rules, select use formula to determine the cells. Put the cursor here, select the value. So here I do not want to log the range. Okay, I log only the cell reference of A equal to, select this, I20. Select the color with which you want to highlight. I will select blue in this case. Okay. Now if I select computer, see, entire row will get highlighted here. Now easily I can find out the values of computer, where they are located in my sheet or in my data range, and what are the corresponding values for the computer. If I want to see for headphone, I can select headphone here, and I can see my corresponding data which belongs to headphone. Okay. In the third example, we'll see how to highlight the header like product, product ID, quantity. So for now we have seen how to highlight the content of this table. Now we'll see how to highlight the headers of this table. Okay. So apply any rule, select the data range, go to for conditional formatting, new rule, again select use the formula to determine the cell, put your cursor in this box, select A33, remove the locking dollar, put equal to, and select the range with which you want to match the information. I'll go to format to pick up color. I'll take this blue. Okay. Okay. So if I select product here, see, product ID got highlighted. If I select product, product will get highlighted. Quantity, quantity will get highlighted. Okay. In this, coming to the another example, okay, how to highlight the entire column, how to highlight the entire uh, like this. If I want to highlight entire product ID, I'll highlight this. Okay. For this, I need to select the entire data range, go to conditional formatting, go to new rule, select use formula to determine, put your cursor here, go to product ID. Here I do not lock 49 equal to, I'll I'll give the range of I49. Okay, format, I'll use green. Okay, so here I do not have drop down here. Here what I'll do, I'll type in the header. See, entire row got highlighted. Okay, we'll see another rule how to highlight the entire column. Okay, select the data range. So select the data range, go to conditional formatting, set new rule, select the formula. Okay, give the select this, put your cursor here, give the first selection. Now remove the locking before A equal to, now my reference would be, now it is I50. Go to format, select orange color. Okay. Okay, if I type in quantity now, see, entire quantity is getting highlighted. Okay, now I want to highlight total, so here I should type. Okay, since I gave the reference of I50. Okay, total. So this is how advanced conditional formatting rules work. So we have many other rules in the conditional formatting which we will be looking in the upcoming sessions. Okay, so in the I'll take one more example here. So if in this rule, okay, I want to change this yellow color to some other color, or when I configuring the rule, I forgot to select the formatting color. Okay, what should I do now? That is a question, right? Okay, so select this entire data range for which you have created the rule. Go to conditional formatting rule. You can see there is an option called manage rules. Click on this. You will see all the rules which have been set for that particular selection. Okay, Here instead of yellow color I want to change it to red color. Okay, select that, double click on that rule, go to formatting, select red color, click on OK, OK, again OK. See, now the total has become red color. Okay, so this is how you can update the rules. You can add new rules to that particular selection of data. Now I will show you how to add this kind of drop down for your information or for your data. Okay, so here wantedly I did not put the drop down for this section. I'll show you how to add the drop down. Alright, let me delete that. Okay, okay. Put the cursor wherever you want that drop down. Go to data, click on data validations, click on data validation. Okay, from this drop down select list of items. Okay, you will get a column name with the source. Put your cursor here. So for which information you want to create a drop down? I want to create a drop down for this list of items. Select all the list of items. Okay, you will see the range here. Click on OK. Now you can see the drop down over here. Okay, okay. The same thing with header also. Go put the cursor wherever you want to add that drop down. Go to data validations, click on the list, put your cursor in the box, select the data, click on OK. This kind of conditional formatting is very helpful when you are representing some data to your clients or to your customers. Thank you. That's all for this session. In the upcoming session, we'll see more advanced conditional formatting rules. My other videos links are available in my description box. You can go and watch those videos. Thank you. Please do share this video to your friends, colleagues and relatives so that people who are interested to learn in MS Excel, they can get some knowledge. Thank you for watching.